2300 Powerhorse inverter generator. Basically only got this for one reason, and that's to be cool. Unboxing. Unboxing the Powerhorse 2300 watt inverter generator. Yeah. Hi. Today, Powerhorse 2300 watt inverter generator. I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Impulse buy that was on sale. So far, a very good impulse. I just picked this up myself from Northern Tool for a little camping trip. I only wanted to run a little tiny Keystone AC while I go camping for a weekend. 600 watt AC, 1800 watt continuous generator. I don't see why I should have a problem. Little toolkit, spark plug wrench, screwdriver, handle. Very minimal toolkit. Funnel. Or it's one of those funnels. All right. Looks good. Time. There you have the unbox. Little spark plug access. Dipstick. Dipstick access. There, oh, it screws all the way. Pretty sure these ship without oil. So there should be oil somewhere. At least my power washer came with oil. I didn't see any oil. I'll have to take a double check in the old owner's manual. But look at what we got here. We got standard, economy, max load, overload, output, something that says throttle, your AC 120 volt. That looks like a 3-prong locking one, 30 amp locking. I don't have that. I'll have to get a different one for the camper. AC 120 volt, standard house outlet, 20 amp. breaker, 20 amp breaker. And here's the other reason I bought this one. My no good brother-in-law has the same one, so we can parallel our outputs and get twice the voltage when we're all camping family style. But we're never off grid, so it's just a pipe dream. Choke, run, off. No automatic start on this. Shut the gas off, shut the gas on. I'm assuming that's the air vent. Little full level indicator on the pre-screen. Another screen in the bottom. Nothing down there. All right, let's get into that owner's manual and see where the oil is. They gave me a funnel. Where's the oil? Alrighty, there we go. We got some oil in it. Took a while to go through the whole book to find it back in the front. Again, under specifications. My fault. Put a little fuel in to get her going. Ooh. Spiders all over it. A little sip ought to do for testing purposes. Air is on. Gas vent is on. We're gonna go economy right away. I'm gonna try choke. This should fire. Putting it inside. Volts. 123 volts. 123 volts. Parallels. 123 volts. Everything runs as is on standard. Ooh, there's economy. Economy really kicks her down. Doesn't change the voltage. All right, first startup seems pretty good. We'll give it a little break. Confer the manual again, make sure I ain't missing nothing and ruining everything. All right, we're out back behind the shop on the side here. Gonna give this the old testaroo. This is what we wanted it for, being cool. So we did something wrong before. I went back and read, and to start you should be on max. So I didn't realize that ESC throttle was a throttle. You get 3 throttle choices. You get standard, and you get hot rod, and you get economy. So you can start it on hot rod. Max power. She's probably not warm enough to not start on choke, but let's see. Gonna flood the damn thing. I think it said it's off when it's warm. There we go. See that overload light on before she warmed up? Kicked on the max circuit. The light went out. Got the beeps. Never even heard it stall out. We're running here. Turn it off. Never even budged. Go to standard. Standard. Let's see what that does. That's running her too. Huh. Well, there you go. Successful unboxing of the Powerhorse 23i. That I being inverter generator. Yeah, there you go.